I used to always do that with beer, but most places you can't do it.
Hey, how are you?
Jump back and finish. How did you know about karate?
Oh, Dad's gonna do this one.
I got some of them earlier, but he had the sound down. I didn't know it.
I wanted to see that glass one.
Well, it's on there. It just doesn't have any sound.
Hey, sweetie.